Here it is, you guys. Haven't done a video on that. It's my new truck, Mitsubishi Mighty Max. Super stoked to make some videos on that. Alright guys, I'm outside. Gotta change the starter on the Galant. It died. I stalled it right here. I had to push it back. It won't start, so I can't swap it out with the Mighty Max in the garage. The Integra's here chilling. But it is trying to change the starter. I do know there are two bolts. Let's see. So you guys can see it. One's right here, and there's another one down here. That one should be it. So I'm going to start with just removing the starter and seeing if I could slide it out back here and hold it up. I know I've put it back in just with it lying back there, but then again, I never removed the power ground wire on it. Do not forget to disconnect your back. All right. Okay, 14mm socket, 2 bolts. Let's hope I can slide it out easily. Remember, I had a issue when I installed this transmission. I forget the little spacer, the little. I know. Okay, got the starter out. This is where the power wire is, and there was a clip on here, but when I was pulling on it, it must have came off. But there is a clip that goes on to here, which I think is, I don't know, assuming the ground. But that's it. Here goes the new one. It's a lot bigger, and I was able to slide it out through this side, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to slide it back in and try to set up the camera. And look at my little helper. Hi babies. Hi babies. All right, let me try this. All right guys, here is the starter. I got the power wire on. See if I can find the harness. This is that little clip that I was talking about. So I'll slide that on once I get the starter on and in the position that I need to line it up with the bolt holes. So I'm gonna try that. I can't really show too much. Let me see. Maybe you guys can see a little bit. Maybe not. I don't know. All right. Couldn't show much, guys. It's kind of hard to get in here, but those 2 bolts are back on. The 2 starter bolts. The power wire is on there. I'm pretty sure I put it on there tight enough. Let's see where it's at. The clip's on there. Trying to find where that wire is at. And yes, it's on there. Has no play. At least it doesn't feel like it. Okay. I don't know if you guys can do it if you had a stock 1G or Galant Vr-4 with all the emissions crap and hoses everywhere. So maybe you can't do this. Maybe you do have to go from underneath, but I would assume you would at least be able to do the bolts obviously from up top, and then everything else you probably have to reach underneath. But let's see if it starts. Oh, pretty sure it's a starter issue. The belt, no matter what I do with the belt, it always squeals. So if you guys have a solution for that, please let me know. But it runs, guys. And DSS drive shaft soon to come. I bought it from Performance Part Out. I think I'm gonna get this car ready for a $100 buy-in, some street racing. So I'm probably gonna lose $100, but whatever. I'm super down. So, but there it is, guys. It runs again. So that's how you guys change your starter. It's most likely the same on a 1G and Galant Vr-4 chassis. Might be a little bit more difficult if it's stock, but I hope this video does help you guys. I hope you guys get the tools, do it yourself, save money into your own pocket, and don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. Thank you, guys. No more Sentra. She gone.